Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the image. Crop to the face or distinctive detail and save a clean copy. This reduces noise and improves matching. Once done, check EXIF for embedded info, but remove it before public searches to protect privacy. Next, launch at least 2 reverse image engines, Google Lens and TinEye, because different indexes catch different matches. Make sure to run the same cropped image across each tool immediately so you can compare initial results side by side. You now broaden the hunt. If Google returns ambiguous hits, move to Yandex and Bing, which often surface social profiles and local sites. Simultaneously, upload the image on targeted platforms that accept images for search and run text searches using visible keywords, logos, or landmarks you spotted. If the face is low quality, enhance it slightly with forensic clarity tools so features match better. However, avoid creative alterations that can produce false positives. Keep notes on promise. You finish by verifying any candidate profile. Compare several photos, account activity, mutual connections, and timestamps to confirm identity rather than relying on a single visual match. Once confident, approach respectfully or use official channels if you must contact them. If your search turns up nothing, don't stop, change the crop, translate visible text into other languages, try older web archives, or request consent to repost the image for crowd help. Troubleshooting tip: when results stall, altering the crop or search language often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.